Parc Jean-Drapeau. And as you can see, winter has started early. It's early November. The snow has started to fall, and yeah, I thought I'd come out here. This is one of the main attractions of the city. And as soon as you get off the train, there's the Biosphere, the famous landmark. This is actually an island. This park here is on an island, and it was the site of Expo 1967, this whole area, and I think as well a part of the 1974, I want to say, Olympics, Summer Olympics. As you can see, yeah, that definitely was a part of the Olympic swimming area. And all in all, it's a beautiful park. Didn't really come at a right time because all the trails are sort of filled with snow, but you're just gonna walk around and explore this a bit. And there's quite no one out here. It's a weekday, it's a Tuesday afternoon. No one's really out. I see at least they cleared the pathway here. This is a nice viewpoint of the city. Downtown Montreal. Yeah, but so far, my impressions of Montreal are been really good. This is a city I've always wanted to visit. And yeah, I can't really, I mean, this is really a different kind of city. It feels like a North American city, but it has a very European culture to it. Now, obviously, it's a, well, not, maybe some don't know, but it's a French-speaking city in a French-speaking province of Canada. Oh. But not only is it linguistically francophone, but it's also culturally French and francophone as well. If you've ever been to France, you just notice how connected and tied Montreal and Quebec is with French culture in comparison to Ottawa. I just left Toronto about maybe 3 days ago, and yeah, it's like a completely different country out here. Still Canada. Pretty much everybody's bilingual. It's a bilingual city. Even the homeless people are bilingual. I don't know why, it's weird. But yeah. I'm probably the only person on this island, it looks like. Which is pretty cool. It's a different experience. Le cimetière. It's a military cemetery. Ah, I see. You can see the headstones right there. Interesting. I'm curious to see if the museum is open. So to give a little information about this structure here, this is the Biosphere. It was originally the United States Pavilion at Expo 67, and it was designed by the famed architect slash designer slash theorist Buckmeister Fuller. And yeah, I think it's really beautiful at night. I would like to come out here at night, but I think the museum closes around 5 o'clock, which it starts getting dark then, if it's still open. But I think in the 1970s there was a fire that destroyed the outer shell. Like that was once a kind of covered in a shell. Well, it was covered, but the fire kind of destroyed the exterior. So all that's left is the metal shell here. I wonder if there's an entrance of some kind. The Biosphere Musée de l'Environnement. This is basically an environmental museum now. I think it'd be worth going to. To me, it's really fascinating to come up close to something that I've seen pictures of years and years and years of, and to just finally like get close to it, even though it's just a round piece of metal, structured in a quite ingenious way. I really don't know enough information to really explain it now. Perhaps it'll be something in the museum, but to see it up close is just really fascinating to me. All right, let's go in. that? Well, there you have it. The temperature has dramatically dropped since I left out of there. It's a really cool museum. And look at those clouds. I'm pretty sure there's more parts of the island to explore, but I think I'm gonna get back on this metro. I would like to go to the casino, which is on another part of the island. I think there's supposed to be a bus that drops you off there, a bus station. Other than that, it's like a 10-minute walk, a 20-minute walk or something. I think there's a bus stop right there. I think I'm gonna go stand at the bus stop, catch a ride to the casino. That place lights up at night. I'd love to get some footage of that. Okay. Didn't need it.
Prochain arrêt, station Jean-Drapeau.